The first thing I'm going to do to help me center everything and line it up as I attempt to put it together is I'm going to put these screws in their respective receptacles, one there, and these screws, threaded screws, will go on there and there. And the other end of these will be for this screw that is coming through the brush cover. So they're very well engineered. The other significant thing is the insulator that has to insulate this area here from the back of these electrical contacts here. So that insulator, actually it fits in there quite nicely. The other thing that we need to put in there, or line up in there, is the shim. And the shim helps align the two pieces, the two housings together. So let's see what progress we can make here right now. You know what, I think we've done good. I think we have, I see the insulator. Anyway, I'll push that screw through, and that one also. So it's come together and the screws are in. So I'm going to get the nuts, and I'm going to take this first one, put my thumb on the bottom, and it's pushed the screw out a bit, and now I'm going to tighten the screw. And all I'm doing is just snugging it up, getting it in place so that it stays together. I don't have to take a torque wrench to it or anything like that. And then the other one goes in here as well. I had my shorter screwdriver, there it is there. I hope I'm staying in focus. I have a terrible habit of not looking through the camera because it's awkward. Nice, so that one's snugged up as well. Here are the contacts, leads from the wires to the brushes. And what I need to do now is take a brush, holding onto it and realizing that there's a spring in there and that it will fly away if I let it slip out. So this has to be aligned like that. I hope you can see this curve there. And we also want this slot to be facing me, to be facing us. Sounds good. Sounds smooth. And I can see where the spring begins. The spring begins right there. So from here to the commutator is brush. Right? So that's cool. So it's in there. I'm going to put the cover on. Yes, yes, yes. There's the slot facing out so we can see it. And there we have the right curve on the brush. So we're placing it correctly just like we did with the other one. Put this up like that. There, I think we're good there. And we're good on the curvature of the brush and the slot. And I just fired the brush out, and thank goodness it landed in my lap. we are having some fun here, ain't we? You know what the best thing I can do here is get this in there correctly. And get the cover on. Okay. The curvature is correct. The stripe is out. No, the curvature isn't correct. It's correct now. And the stripe is out. That contact is in. Sorry, you guys. Now I want to make sure this rotates freely. And it does. But the good thing is that this motor will be coming apart again. But not right now because I want to put it back in. Here's the motor bracket. There. So it's in there good. Where does that go? Is that in the way? Is that brown cord in the way? There, let's try that. Okay, there, that's out of the way. It's not going to be rubbing against anything. So now, it's just a matter of this last screw. Yes. Good. Snug enough. Snug enough. Let me see if I can get any of this gunk off. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. But I'll have to give it another greasing, another oiling. I don't think I have yet. Maybe I oiled it. Yeah, I did, because there's oil there and there. So I need to give this piece another oiling and start getting it cleaned up. I can also replace the bed cushions, but I'm not going to do that right now because I'm going to be getting everything nice and greasy still. So I'm happy with that we got the motor together. So the other thing I want to show you, it's a 404 one plate. So yeah, this 404 says 404 right up there. I've got to dust this machine off, but it just came with the machine, the needle, the thread, and the pedal. No case, no portable, no furniture, but it was reasonably priced. And the only 400 series machine that I'm kind of looking out for right now is any of the German 400 series. 401G, in particular a 421G convertible. That would really, I've never seen one of those advertised. I don't go to eBay or those, those worldwide sites. I kind of shop local and stuff. But anyway, that's enough for now, folks. So yeah, these machines are gonna, be showing up here in the next little while. This baby sure needs to be cleaned, but they all do. I mean, they're 70 years old, or 60, 70 years old. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you got something out of it, and we'll talk again real soon. Ciao, amigos.